You won't like to miss this typical traditional bitter leaf recipe. Then you have to stick through the end of this video. Welcome, darlings.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, ba. Welcome to the flavors, come and take a seat. Florevrard kitchen where the good vibes meet. From Cameroon pots to the world we rise. Spices in the air, you can taste the sunrise. Easy, tasty, cooking with love. Every single dish.
We're making this fried vegetable, or is it country bitter leaf, and I'll be needing two bundles of washed bitter leaf, right? And here we have our crushed ginger, garlic, onions, some little bit of black pepper, and here is blended crayfish. And here is just a mixture of some protein. We have the stockfish, some small pork, crayfish, just mixture of little by little, and also have my sliced onions. And here comes tomato, which is already cooked. Okay, so as that is set, everything is ready. I'll just go now and mix together. So my pot is on the fire, already heated. I'll pour in some vegetable oil. Preferably I would have loved to use palm oil, but that's not available now, so I'm making use of what is available. Since every preparation has been made, this is just the easiest process, just to mix everything. After the oil is ready or heated, I'll just put in some sliced onion. Reduce the heat, okay. Immediately I will put in my cooked tomato, already fried tomato. So you see, everything is already ready. Inside that tomato have some little meat. I'm mixing everything. I'm not even cooking this tomato because it's already ready. Yes. Bring in the fish and the other things. At this point, I'll also bring in my mixing everything at once. So even the crayfish, if I had the dry crayfish, I would have put that the last. But since crayfish is not that much, I'm mixing everything there. Give that a good stir. At this point, I'm going to just put in my seasonings like salt and Maggi. This is our Maggi, the pork flavor. I'm going to put the Maggi there. Put in the salt. So put in the Maggi and the salt, and waiting for that to mix a little bit. Then I can now bring in my vegetable. So everything is already inside here. For that little vegetable I want to fry, everything is there already. Just let it saute a little bit, cook for a while, 1 or 2 minutes, so that everything should be incorporated or mixed very well. To give it that real traditional taste, I'm going to add a little bit of blended country onions. My God, you get the flavor coming out from this, especially when you add in the country onions. The aroma is amazing. I choose to add little water than oil because I don't want too much oil in this. My oil there is enough. So now it's time for me to bring in my vegetable. This is a vegetable that was harvested from my backyard, from my garden. So I'm going to mix that very well. So after giving it a good mix, here comes our vegetable. I just turn off the flame because I don't want it to be cooked any further. It's already ready. Now we can eat this with whatever thing you like to eat. Is it cassava? Is it cocoyam, boiled cocoyams, or plantains, whatever? Even if it's rice, you can. I'm going to be eating this with rice. Yes, you heard me, rice. That is what is available. That's what I'm going to be eating this with. If there is some that is going to be left, then maybe the next day I'm going to get some boiled plantains or boiled I'm going to get some potato or plantains or banana to accompany that with. So guys, if you're watching up to this moment, thank you for joining. Here comes our final outcome. I'm going to put that there. Ouch. Can you see that vegetable? Where is your fufu? It can also be best swallowed with fufu, eh? I'm going to make gari and eat that with. Can you see that, guys? Isn't that looking so fantasmaglorious? My God. Then how much? With this is our country bitter leaf. You guys know I love country things. I love country styles, not only modern way. I wish I had palm oil. The taste would have been much. I mean, this is really delicious, but just imagine without palm oil. It tastes good like this with palm oil. So guys, that is my simple shit, man. Magic la bonne cuisine. Okay, so it's ready, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and see you again in my next video. Bye.